Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ESR multifunctional adapter. This is a USB-C to HDMI adapter. There is not many information on this box other than the fact that this is easy to use, it's reliable and has a durable form factor. Okay, any extra information on this side? More or less the same, and that's more or less it. Let's open this box and show you what the adapter looks like. So this is what you find inside the box. This is the ESR multifunctional adapter. You have the USB-C jack on one end and the HDMI port on the other. This is an HDMI port right over here. Also notice that this has a braided cable at the center, making it, this will not be easy to break or tear apart. I mean, this is a very durable design as well. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the ESR multifunctional adapter. Thank you for watching.